Hey guys, I'm here with my brother, and what we're going to do today is we're going to check out his Hyundai Ioniq 5. We're going to talk about that a little bit. But the primary reason for this episode is basically the wheel and tire cleaner. We're going to try that, and we're going to see how it works on his car and his wheels and tires. And let's get right to it. Talk to you soon. This is Talking with Cars. And this product in here has iron removers built into it and a couple other chemicals, surfactants and stuff like that, so that you're basically drawing out all of the bloom, the brown that you see. All that browning is from the UV stabilizer and the release agent that they have in the tires when they make the tires. So that's what we're going to start cleaning off. This tire is really not that bad. You can see some of the browning in through here, all in through here, and maybe on the exterior a little bit. And you'll see that bleed off when we start using the chemical. So anyways, let's get right to it. Typically what I want to do is rinse it down a little bit. Kind of cool off the surface too. Shake this up. Spray it on. And what I like about this wheel and tire cleaner is you're going to see it bleed like almost instantly. That's why I like to put a little bit of water on my driveway so I don't know what it does to the driveway, but then what you want to do is you want to spray a little bit onto your brush and start scrubbing it off. And you're going to see it's brown. See how that's all brown? And this is a soft bristle, so it won't hurt your wheels or anything like that. What you want to do is put a little bit more, and then keep scrubbing. Put some on the wheel itself. And I have another mitt, a microfiber mitt that I use for the wheel. And I also have this for the lug nuts. This little brush. And this is nice and safe for inside where the lug nuts are, and you can't get your finger in there. But you can clean it off on the inside spots where you can't reach and keep them clean. So let's do this. Let's first rinse off. And you see all the brown. Do you see all the brown?
Yeah, see that.
Oh, by the way, I'm here with my brother Dave. Dave's behind the camera. We'll talk to him in a couple minutes. Let's rinse the tire off. Look at all the browning. See? Those are all the chemicals and everything else that's coming off of the wheel itself, the tire itself. Alright, and what you want to do is you want to reapply it. I'm going to rinse this off too. You want to reapply this and do it again until you don't see that browning come off anymore. So when you're scrubbing it and it's white, then you know that you've gotten it all off of the car. So that looks white. That looks clean. We'll rinse that off again. And now we'll move on to the wheel. And this does have some iron remover in it. So if there is any iron in there, iron particles, it'll dissolve it. But I'm not going to use that heavy brush on the wheel. I'm going to use something a little bit softer. This is a microfiber pad that you can put on your hand.
Okay.
You can actually use this to clean the surface. And because these are black and it's gloss black, you want to be very sensitive to the to different materials, right? Because this can easily scratch if you use the wrong brush. You don't want to use anything with a hard bristle on it. Because this could be treated the same way that you treat your paint, right? You want to use a microfiber towel or a microfiber glove. I mean, the surface area is nice over here, so you don't really have to worry too much about all the little nooks and crannies. This should clean up pretty nice. You know, all these polished surfaces here, you want to make sure you get those. Right? And then rinse it off. All right, we'll let that dry, and then we'll move on and do all the other 4 tires. And what we're going to do is we're going to dry off the tires so that they don't spot or anything like that. Use a nice soft microfiber towel. Now you can see what a difference in the black, right? I mean, that wheel cleaner works so fantastically.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Looks nice, right? And even the black on the wheel itself. I mean, what do you think, Dave?
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't sure what products to use, so this this is kind of perfect timing. But yeah, I mean,
and you want to use soft materials. You know, I mean, there's so much gloss black here that you got to be careful. I mean, it's a durable paint, no question about it. They wouldn't paint this a black on a tire or wheel if it wasn't durable, but you know, you want to be just extra cautious. You don't want to be the reason for the scratches. You know, if anything, you just want to protect it, keep it looking nice. Look how black that is. What a difference, right?
Yeah, it looks great.
And that's without any like sealers or anything like that.
True. Yep.
So we'll let that dry and we'll take a look at it after it's dried.
Okay.
All right. Tell me what you think about the black.
Wow.
Big difference.
Yeah, I'd say that.
Do you think you need to apply any type
I personally
of,
like
coating?
the way it looks.
You like this?
I like the way it looks. I mean, if you want on another car, maybe we'll try it. But I like it. I like this. I like the way this looks. Normally, I mean,
it's a nice clean black.
It is. It's
you know,
yeah.
If it does start to gray and it gets to a point where it looks to gray like that, you can just apply a sealer.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, there are satin sealers that are kind of give you this look, but just a little bit newer.
Right.
You know, a little bit more crisp.
Yeah. I like it. I like the way it looks. I mean,
Nice and clean.
I'm not the type to dress up the tires. I mean, actually, we could try it, but I would say no at this time. I like the way it looks. I like the car just natural like this, but
Yeah, it's a natural black color.
and it looks good as long as it's like not brown, like you said. It really.
Yeah, the browning really kind of makes it look old.
It does,
You know?
yeah.
So and it had a little bit of oils on there from like when it was manufactured. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean,
This is a big improvement. Yeah. I like this a lot. No, it looks great. I love it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's good. We just learned a little something today. Cool. I'm happy.
Hey guys, if you like this content, please press the like button. That really helps out the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later.